Good morning, my name is Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio, and welcome to Tool Time Tuesday. Today I want to talk about the brand new, just came out, Snap-on impact wrench. This is an upgrade from our older NiCad impact wrench. This is, we have it in 1/2 inch and 3/8 drive. It's pretty heavy, it's just over 6 pounds. This is the 12 volt high capacity NiCad. I just upgraded all my tools to lithium, and this is one of the last tools I had to upgrade. We still have this one, still works. We're down to a couple of batteries. At one point we had 8, so I think we're down to 1 or 2 working batteries. Instead of reinvesting in an older tool, I decided to upgrade to this one for a couple of reasons. This one still works, we'll still use it. We mainly use it to remove seats. We do a ton of Jeep Wranglers here. Anybody that's done the Wranglers know that once those bolts start to freeze up on the bottom, you definitely need an impact gun to get them out. Sometimes you got to heat them up. And on top of that, we're working outside a lot of times. It's spring here now, so it's beautiful outside. You don't want to lug the air hose all the way out there and use the air powered one. So this makes it a breeze. It'll pull all the seats out, in and out a few times on a single charge. But now that it's already a few years old, I think I've had it since 08, 09, so it's got 10 years on it. The battery packs are getting harder to get, and these battery packs are pretty expensive. They're a couple $100. So it was just smarter to invest in a newer tool. What's nice about this tool, and what made the decision super easy for me, was they added a quick change chuck. So now where I had a separate 3/8, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, I do all of it with just one tool. So we could do 1/2 inch for seat bolts, 3/8 regular stuff, 1/4 inch, which I'll probably never use because you end up snapping one of those 6mm bolts with the 10mm head clean off. This thing packs 230 foot-pounds of torque, so I don't think we're going to be using the 1/4 inch anvil at all. If you have a stubborn screw, you could throw a number 3 Phillips head on there, and I don't think I'll be using that much either. But if you have a bolt that you need a screw, you need a ton of torque on, or a stubborn one won't come out, you can do that. Or if you're boring through wood, you can throw a paddle bit on there. So makes the tool very flexible. That was a no-brainer for me. It's like 6 tools in one now. It's got the newer lithium battery packs like all my other stuff. It's not cheap though. Tool came in expensive. It's $750 if you get it with the kit, which includes the 2 batteries. The old one had, this is the upgraded high capacity battery, and it was still only 2 amp hours, 12 volt. The new one is 5 amp hours, 18 volt lithium. Old unit weighed 6 pounds, new one's 4.5 pounds. You can really feel the difference. So the old one was 75 foot-pounds of torque. The new one's 230. So you're talking almost 4 times the torque, and they shave a pound off. So you got a lighter, stronger tool, way stronger tool. At 75 foot-pounds, we took out almost every bolt with this. So at 230, I don't see any bolt giving us a problem. It's physically smaller in every way. It's shorter. It's less tall. It's nicer looking. So I think we covered all the bases with it. It's been using it for a couple weeks now. It's Snap-on quality, so you know it's expensive, but it's Snap-on. I got 10 years out of this one. I expect to get at least 10 years out of this one, and this one's still going. I think Milwaukee makes something similar, but it doesn't have the changeable chuck, and it is a couple $100 less expensive. Do whatever works for your budget. I have an ongoing revolving account with Snap-on that'll probably never end, and I like Snap-on tools. As you can tell, I have a tool addiction, so it doesn't bother me, and my tools make me money. So check it out. Hope it works out for you. I'll see you guys next week. This is a brand new Jeep Wrangler, so the bolts aren't going to be too tough. Not rusted in, but they're still super tight. As you can see, the gun gets in there no problem. Cake.